Exercise 3.5, problem 1, division 12. Solution. Factorize the polynomial x cubed minus 5x squared minus 2x plus 24. Let's check whether do we have all the terms. Cube is there, x squared is there, x is there, constant is there. So it is perfect. Now let's check whether the sum of the coefficients is 0. So this is the positive is 24 plus 1 is 25, and this is minus 7. So it will not work. Whether the odd terms and the even plus constant are 0. What's this odd? This is odd. So this is 1 and this is minus 2, right? 1 minus 2 is minus 1. But whereas the even itself is minus 5 and the constant is 4, 19. 5 minus 5 plus 24 is 19. So that also will not work. So x equal to 1 and x equal to minus 1 are not, or x plus 1 and x minus 1 are not factors of this polynomial. Now we'll have to try p of 2, and after that we'll have to try p of minus 2, right? So let's put the polynomial here, and what we did was if you put poly 2 also, this will be 8. You put 2 and check it out on yourself and it will not be 0, right? So what we have done is that we have taken minus 2 here. So what happens? This becomes minus 2 the whole cube, that is minus 8, and this is minus 2 the whole square. So this will be 4. 4 into minus 5 is minus 20, and this is minus 2 into 2, that is minus 2 minus becomes plus, so it's plus 4, and 24 comes down. As I said, please try on your own, find p of 2 and it will not be 0, and that is after that we have come to this p of minus 2. I missed this step here, but I suggest you do it and write it in your notebook. Okay, right? So p of minus 2 is 0, which means x plus 2 is a factor of this polynomial. Now we are ready for the synthetic division. So how do you do the synthetic division? Write all the coefficients of this polynomial. So the coefficient of x cubed is 1, coefficient of x squared is minus 5, and coefficient of x is minus 2, and this is 24. Put 0 for the first entry in the second row. So 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 into minus 2 is minus 2, minus 5 minus 2 is minus 7, and this is 14. Minus 2 plus 14 is 12. 12 into minus 2 is 24. And I think I missed to tell you, so most of the time, or in all these cases, you will get 0 as a remainder. If you don't get 0 as a remainder, then there is something wrong. You'll have to check your working. Okay, right? Now we have this. This is a quotient. This is a constant, coefficient of x, and this is coefficient of x square. Therefore, the other factor is x square minus 7x plus 12. Now we'll have to factorize this. The number here is coefficient of x square is 1. So 1 into 12 is 12. 12 needs to be factorized in such a way, when you add or subtract, you should get minus 7, which is the coefficient of x. So 12 can be written as minus 4 into minus 3, and minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7. So these are the factors. Okay, right? And that's what I've shown here. Now we have to divide this by the coefficient of x squared. What is the coefficient of x squared? It's 1. So minus 4 divided by 1, and this is minus 3 divided by 1, which is, now this will become, can you simplify this any further? No. Can this? No. So this will become the coefficient of x. The denominator becomes the coefficient of x. So this 1x, and this numerator comes down as a constant. So 1x minus 4 or x minus 4. Same, this will be 1x minus 3 or x minus 3. Therefore, this factor, this quadratic expression polynomial is x minus 4 into x minus 3. But as I said, we'll do the other method also, in which case we'll stop here. We don't need to do this step. Okay? If you want to follow this method, you stop here and continue. So 12 is minus 4 into minus 3, and minus 4 and minus 3 is minus 7. So which means this minus 7x must be written as minus 4x minus 3x. Now you can take x commonly out, so it becomes x into x minus 4. You want to get the same x minus 4 out of this. So which means you'll have to take minus 3 commonly out. So this will become, left over will be x, and this will be minus 4 will be left out. So you can just check, minus 3 into minus 3 is plus 12. Alright. So now x minus 4 can be taken out. So when you take out this, it will become x minus 3 into x minus 4. which is the same thing we got by this method also. Am I right? So, the original polynomial x cubed minus 5x square minus 2x plus 24 is equal to, the first factor is this, and the second and the third factor are these two. So, is equal to x plus 2 into x minus 3 into x minus 4. That's all in this exercise. I hope I've made it clear. If not, please go through this one more time. Okay. Thanks for watching this video.